wave hello to everyone. Well, you know what guys, today is our big day. Zoe here wants to become the newest member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. But first, she has to pass a series of difficult tests. But guys, in preparation, we are working on her agility, keen eyesight, and quick reflexes. Guys, I'll show you something. Okay, wait for you, buddy. There you go, good girl. Stay. Alright, go. Oh, second false start there. Maybe we should try that again. Buddy, are you not quite ready? But perhaps. Let's do that again. There you go. Alright, what a great start. So we give it up for researchers.
Oh, good morning everyone. My name is Paula. It is my partner. She's a senior member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And her name is Randy. Okay, Randy? How about we go for a guess?
Bye-bye.
Well, folks, here at Ocean Adventure, we are very much concerned about the environment. Now, we with our sea lions want to do their part to help protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. That's why they formed the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And today we'll see if Zoe has what it takes to become a member of this new group. So guys, are you two ready to start?
Well, let's see. Are we ready? Yes, sir, we are.
Good. Well, see you guys now to attention. Ready, attention!
Hey, Zoe, come on, wake up. Wake up. Hey, would you like a fish? Huh? Fish? You know what, guys? It's been a long day of training today. I think she is a little tired.
Oh, JD, to be a member of the Marine Patrol, you must be strong and physically fit.
Not a problem. Drum roll, please. Now, how's that for strength?
Not bad.
Why, can Randy do better than that?
You can do better, right? Yep. Okay, ready? Let's show them what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please. That's real strength.
Yeah, that looks really good. But you know what? Zoe here can do that no problem. Diba? I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, you know you can do that, right? Stop eating, step down here, and show them your amazing one flipper stand. Ready? Go. You didn't have a broken flipper, Zoe.
So no 100%, JD.
Maybe not, but
JD.
watch this.
Don't take that. Nice going there, Zoe. Well, folks, we are the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. That's because Randy and Zoe are South American sea lions. They're not seals. How can we tell?
We know. Well, that's because these guys have these big and powerful front flippers. Show them, Zoe. There you go. Now, guys, they use these flippers to swim, and that like a bird uses their wings to fly through the air.
That's right, folks. Now, sea lions also have rotatable hind flippers, just like that. So moving a line is easy. But true seals are different. They have very small front flippers and their back flippers that rotate. So on that, they move a little bit funny.
So, guys, would you like to see Zoe's imitation of a seal? Yeah. Yes, okay. Zoe, you heard that? Show them a seal.
Well, that looks like a seal, right?
Show them how a seal walks.
Well, folks, see what we mean. A little bit funny on that. Have a nice round of applause for that great imitation. Well, the members of the Marine Patrol must also be able to move quickly and gracefully through the water. So we have Officer Jason together with Lou Ben to demonstrate. Okay, guys, you've heard it. Whenever you two are ready, hit it. Self-control.
Self-control. Hey, you know what? I think Zoe here has self-control.
Well, would you like to show us?
Okay, so this is what we are going to do, Officer Paolo. First, I'll ask Zoe to lie down. Very good, Zoe. Now here's the fish for you. And then, four very juicy fish will be placed right in front of Zoe's face. Now guys, here's the catch. She can only eat the fish when I clap my hands. Only one at a time. Hey Zoe, self-control, okay? Let's start. First fish.
Wow.
Good girl. Hey, you don't get the top yet. Second fish.
Nice. Uy, wag.
Okay, here's some. What did you do? You're not supposed to eat that fish, right? Would you like another chance? Okay, let's do that again.
Kasama na yung sa intro niya.
Down.
Luto nyo, kawawa
Very good.
naman eh. Nauubos yung food eh.
Okay, and this kind of is not ready, huh?
Dati nag-flop.
Uy, yun. Ano ba yan?
Don't just think about it, Zoe. Okay, you can try to pull her, guys. Come on. You can even try harder if you like. Nah, you can't fool her this time. She is good. Okay, Zoe, you can have your third fish now. Yeah? Now one more fish and we are done, okay? Last fish. Did she eat the last fish? Yeah. No, come here. And be honest, okay? Did you eat the last fish? Really? Hey, you know what? Maybe she doesn't have self-control. But perhaps Paolo? Maybe show us self-control.
Oh, you bet, JD. Well, folks, I'll make it harder for Brandy because instead of placing the fish on the floor, I'll place a juicy fish right on top of Brandy's nose. Where she can smell it, but of course, she cannot eat it yet. Now, folks, same rule applies. Right, full Brandy. Come on, guys. Come on. Well, the Marine Patrol always translates in good community relations. So we have a senior member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol, together with Officer Melly, and they're right on their way to be the member of our community. So guys, whenever you two are ready, take it away.
Thank you very much, sir. Officer Paulo and Trader JD. Now, folks, here with me, folks, is the biggest male sea lion here at Ocean Adventure, and his name is Sky. Sky is ready to meet a few members of the community, and we have one right over here. Hello, man, what's your name? Geraldine. Where are you from?
Si Ma'am Sel.
Cavite. Teka, Cavite rin ako. Hindi Cavite. Are you ready? And here comes Kai. Okay, Kai. Up you go. Very nice. Dito pa, Geraldine. Oh, you know what, guys? So friendly to give a nice pat just like this. Okay, your turn. Pat like that. Wow. There you go. See? So Geraldine, mabait pa si Kai. So, sobrang bait ni Kai. He would love to give you a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Excited ka ba? Alright. Well, all you have to do is just like this. Lean in, upper cheek, to give it a little kiss. Smile sa camera. But before that kiss, let us freshen up Kai's breath with some of this red mint dish. There you go. Come on, Kai, ready? Ready? You ready also? Lean in and enjoy your kiss. So, now, nagustuhan niyo po ba yung kiss ni Kai? Alright. So if you're going to rate that kiss on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best kiss, what would it be? 10! How about it, Kai? Are you happy with that? Ibig sabihin, mas magaling pa si Kai sa boyfriend nyo. Biro na. Well, thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us here today. Alright, Kai, I think we have another one right over here.
Ma'am Cherry.
Here she is. What's your name? Cherry, where are you from? Cavite din. Puro mga kababayan mo pala nandito. Ready, Kai? Now, Miss Cherry, nice stand right over here.
Ma'am,
Very
ma'am.
nice.
Wow.
Now, Miss Cherry, Kami, gusto niyo rin po ba ng kiss galing kay Kai? Of course. Pero, ma'am, gusto ni Kai mag-kiss sa inyo sa lips. Ready na po ba kayo, ma'am? Sa lips? Ready po ba kayo? Ready? Of course. Okay, bread meat mo na.
Picturean mo ka.
Kiss na sa lips. If you're going to rate that kiss, what is the score? 60! Thank you very much for joining us. And Kai,
Ma'am!
that was a great job. And right over here.